Hello guys, welcome back to the Programming Guide channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to see messages request on TikTok. So if you want to start seeing your message request on TikTok, you have to do some kind of toggling on of settings in your TikTok. So let's get right into the video. So first thing you have to do is click on your TikTok app. Once you click on your TikTok, go straight to your profile. Once you click on your profile, you can see this three is underlined. Click on that and click on privacy, settings and privacy, so that you can actually toggle up the permission to actually receive message requests. Click on direct messages and click on permissions and settings. You're going to see who can send you messages, and you can see the option here is don't receive. So you actually have to turn that to request. So once you do this, you do it for the second one, and once you do this, you'll be able to see message request, and people will be able to send you message requests even without following you. So click on your inbox, swipe down to load up your inbox, and you're going to see message request right here. Click on that and you're going to see the message request I got. So this is literally how to see message requests on TikTok. If you find this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.